Behind us is the overbridge structure, which we have spent the last few months constructing on site adjacent to the West Coast Main Line. The last couple of days we've been excavating the existing embankment of the West Coast Main Line, and we can now see through to the other side. In the next few hours, the overbridge will be driven into its permanent position using SPMTs.
So the bridge we're building is for the HS2 railway. The intention is to take the railway under the existing West Coast Main Line railway. We're using self-propelled modular transporter units from manoeuvred, and they will lift blocks using carrier beams and drive into position. This will roughly take around about an hour.
We not only have the works at Fulfen Wood itself, but it's a 9-day blockade on the Trent Valley. The works have been over 2 years in the actual planning. We've been planning in such a way that we minimise the disruption to the passenger themselves, bringing together the High Speed 2 works, but all the other major network rail works that require doing as well. So to do them all at the same time, rather than piecemeal, which would be more disruptive for passengers.
Today's probably the most important day during the blockade. It's the installation of the bridge itself. There's a mass concrete backfill activity which will fill in the gaps between the box and the excavation that we've completed already. Then once that's cured, there's a stage called technical backfill. That's being completed by our earthworks team, and that will bring the rail embankment back up to track level, ready for us to put the ballast down and reinstall the railway.
Once it's in place, we'll reinstate the railway over the top, open the railway back up, and following that we will then cast the big base slab underneath in preparation for the HS2 railway to run underneath. It's very important that we hand over back to Network Rail on time so that the West Coast Main Line can resume running. The West Coast Main Line is one of the busiest railways in Europe, as it is both a passenger and freight railway. So it is able to transport goods from the south of England all the way up to Scotland.
I feel immensely proud. It's something that I've been looking forward to for the last 3 years. It's going to be great to see it in place with trains running back over it at the end of this blockade.
To see the first train go over the Fulfen Wood overbridge will be the pinnacle, to know that as a team we've built the overbridge ready to last 125 years and ready for when High Speed 2 railway is open to the general public.